Welcome back to another video. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make country balls. Okay, let's make a new. Okay, this is country balls. We do a country ball. Let's call it a country ball test. Name it anything you want, and do create project. So what you're gonna do is to get a flag. Okay, so get a flag. For example, I'll try Ukraine. I'll do the United Kingdom flag. Let's try United Kingdom. And you can you see the square thing? The square. See, this square needs to go into the middle of the flag. Go to the place it right here. I think that's let's try this. Let's try this one. There, good flag. Let's try this again. Okay, good flag. Let's try that flag from now on. Okay, so. Okay, now we have to do is do that. This. Oops. Let me. Okay. Oops. Okay. Let's try this again. Let's fix this. There. Now we did it. Okay, so next. Okay, now we have to do is to. Now we need to do make a good flag. Let's try this. Make a happy guy. Do this. Okay, we made our own. Yay! We made our own country ball. Our country ball's ready. So now make a new. Oops, that's crazy. Now make 10 frames or more. Try 10 frames. 10 frames. Now, so what we're gonna do is do this, okay, now we have to do this, now let's make it here, and make this to here. Let's fix this. We can do that from now on. Now now we have to do to 23 frames. Let's get there to 23 frames. Okay. Now we did it. So next, what we have to do is get another guy. Let's get. So we need to go to and copy this and and do this. I'm gonna do a T for now. Let's make a T. Let's make it. Okay, now let's try making like this. Okay, there was our T. This now let do that and press this left one, the left one. And then we have to do this. Go back. And make this go to 30 frames. Okay, now we are going to make, okay, now next we have to make, this guy will say hello at the end. So this guy will say hello. Oops. Go to frame viewer. Go to frame viewer and go and press these 2 frames and copy them and paste them. Let's see if that's enough. Okay, that's a good one. This guy will say hello back. Let's do this. Also put any flag you want. Don't forget that. Put any flag you want. Now let's do this again as the same as this one. And this will guy say, well, hello. Also, you can put any hats you want. Let me show you how you put a hat in this. I will show you how you put a hat. You can put a hat if you want to. Like this. This. Put any color you want. Like this or blue, put your favorite color you want. Okay. Okay, let's do the hello one. Wait, let me see. Okay. Now, next, we need to put this guy will do a thumbs up. Okay, now, go to 72 frames. Okay, go to, okay, now, let's, okay, now, okay, now we have to do this. Go to the 73 frame one. This. Now we need to do this. Okay, let's do this. Oops. Okay. Yay! We are done! Now let's test it. I forgot to put the sounds, okay. Yay! Good job! Thank you guys for watching. I wanna, if this helped you so much, please like and subscribe. I hope I see you in the next video.